Leaked. The new Proton X70 SE. Recently, a video of a truck with 5 units of blue Proton X70 leaving its factory in Tanjung Malim went viral on Instagram. In the video we can see that 5 X70s were painted in blue with new rims on it. According to a leaked brochure image, we can see that the blue X70 got a new variant for it, the Special Edition version. This Special Edition Proton X70 comes in exclusive two-tone paint. Paint.Skim will be available in 2 colors, ocean blue and ruby red. Other than that, the X70 also got a new set of 19-inch sports rim. The size of the tire is 225/55 R19, using Continental Ultra Contact 6 SUV tires. In the interior, the X70 Special Edition comes with exclusive interior trim finishing, black Nappa leather seats, carpet mats with Shea logo and Proton Intelligent Air Purification System (IAPS). Towards the optional accessory section, unlike Porsche with hundreds of optional selections, the Proton X70 Special Edition offers customers only 2 optional accessories: 4 visors and digital video recorder (DVR). Engine configuration: Proton X70 Special Edition may be using the same 1.8 Liter TGDI engine that puts out 180 HP and 300 Nm.